Hey everyone, Scott Cameron with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. Today I'm going to highlight some of the great features on this 2023 Scout 240 Dorado. So I'm sitting in the cockpit area here. This boat has a nice 300 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. You have your tow rod here, rod holders in the back. You also have a nice size live well aft. And then we have the seats pulled out right now, so you can see you have plenty of seating in the cockpit area. But when you don't need it, they fully recess so you can use it for fishing. Up here we have a nice wet bar, and then the Yeti cooler underneath, which slides out for easy access. A very nice hard top on this boat. Notice the trim on the windows wrapping around the boat. At the helm, we have Garmin technology, again networked to the engine so you can view your controls. You have a Fusion stereo system and Merc vessel view. Nice bucket seats in the front, fold up or down. And also in the cockpit area, we have a nice fold out table. And then this seat can go either forward or backwards. Moving up front, a nice head area with the sink. Additional storage and access to your switches underneath the helm. And then up front we have a nice deep bow with handrails and filler cushions here, plenty of cup holders. And if you'd like to see this boat or any of our other models, give me a call, Scott Cameron at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey.